And I did turn in my slide just a few hours ago. Good morning. Unlike HC, I did not actually lose my name when I got here. I actually have 4 names, and I did not know what a nightmare that was going on. I'm Moni Mun, and I'm at Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory. We're a national laboratory of the Department of Energy, managed by the University of California at Berkeley. And that just through 2 seconds of my presentation. I've put together a little bits of information of what I do. I have evolved in my career to become species agnostic, so I don't particularly focus on one group, but I try to create resources that groups can use. On the upper left, you can see a genome browser. Some of you may be familiar with it. Some of you may have never seen one. And what I am hoping to do is to get you excited about using a genome browser and to get you to the point that you can sit down on a Friday afternoon, drink a cup of coffee and say, my day is done, let's annotate genes. I know that you can do this. There are so many people who get excited about it, so I hope you get hooked on it. If you've never touched any gene structural, I'm here to guide you through that process and then make it as easy as possible for you. On the bottom right, we have the other hat that I wear in my lab. I'm a biologist in a lab of software developers. And so we build resources, and the other part of the resources that we build are those of the Gene Ontology Consortium. So laboratory hidden. Everything that we produce is available for free use. We're mod-based, but also trying to expand this as a base of resources for everybody. And I do a lot of things. I am part of the Executive Committee of the International Society for Biocuration. I am part of the organizing committee of the Bioinformatics Open Source Conference. Any of you interested in bioinformatics, join us. I'm also part of the steering committee of the initiative to sequence 5,000 arthropod genomes. I am unashamedly biased for arthropods since I used to work with them in Altra. And I'm also part of the Society for the Advancement of Chicanos, Native Americans, and Latinos in the sciences here in the United States, encouraging students to bring their information and to get excited about STEM. So that's all what I do. I teach and train. I work on trying to encourage diversity and inclusion in the sciences, specifically in bioinformatics, and I am trying to make both the Gene Ontology Consortium and the people who develop Apollo more aware of users, and so I am the manager of user advocacy and outreach for the Gene Ontology Consortium as well. So hopefully we'll get all very excited about manual annotation, and we'll be able to produce a much wealthier and stronger resource to advance our research. Thank you.